Hello, all of you. Welcome to all in another session of English grammar where you learn all ins and out related to this very chapter, and that is adjective. In this videos, I try to steer you from all concept related to this very chapter and some question based on very exciting topic, that is my adjective. So let's start the video without wasting a single minute. Here we go. First of all, talking about adjective, then what is adjective? First question is, what is adjective? As per its definition, adjective is a word that qualify any noun or noun equivalent. What does it mean? Noun equivalent. Noun equivalent means such word which is used instead of a noun. Then which type of word is used instead of a noun? The word like gerund, pronoun, and many more. I hope it is clear. Okay. Here is another slide based on types of adjective. Before going ahead, I want to clear you. There are 8 types of adjective. Name. First, proper adjective, adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, adjective of number, demonstrative adjective, distributive adjective, possessive adjective, interrogative adjective. I will discuss it in upcoming slide, so stay tuned. And first type is written here. What is proper adjective? What is proper adjective? As per its definition, an adjective which formed from proper noun is called proper adjective. Means such adjective which is derived, or you can say that comes from proper noun, yeah, constructed by proper noun. And I hope you all know or aware from what is proper noun, that is India, America, China. All three country comes under proper noun, and when we add an to the word India, an to the word America, or s to the word China, then it turns into proper adjective. Indian is not a noun, American is also not a noun, and Chinese is also going to be not a noun. It consider as proper adjective, right? Okay. Okay. And second type is also written here, adjective of quality. What does it meaning hold? Adjective of quality, as per its definition, again, adjective that show the kinds or quality of a person or thing. Mark my point. It shows quality of any person or thing, as I said by its definition, adjective that qualify or says something about noun or noun equivalent is called adjective. So here written is adjective of quality, means such quality which say about quality of any noun or noun equivalent. Clear? Is it clear to all? So come on this a topic with an example, that is Indian. An honest man. An honest. What the meaning hold on an honest? Here honest tells about man. Honest tells me about quality of man. How the man is this or that. The man is honest and honest, not an any kinds of man. Man is an honest. But it is further divided into two groups. You understand it as attributive or predicative. These are two further classification of adjective of quality. Then what is attributive adjective, and on the other hand what is predicative adjective? So here is the slide for you to describe what is predicative adjective and what is attributive adjective. So when an adjective is used before a noun, mark here, when an adjective used before an noun is known as, or you can say that it comes under attributive adjective. And similarly when an adjective is used before after a verb, when an adjective is used after a verb is considered as predicative adjective. I will further discuss it with an example, that is Mohit is a good boy. Boy is a noun and good is a good what? Good is a adjective, but what kind of adjective good is? Attributive adjective. Attributive adjective. And in the other hand, the weather is pleasant. Here verb is. Here verb is what? Is. And after the word is, what is written here? Pleasant. Then pleasant consider as predicative adjective. And that's all. Nothing more. And the third adjective is adjective of quantity. Then what shows at quantity? Means such adjective which tells a number of noun or noun equivalent. Such adjective which tells about noun or noun equivalent of its number. Adjective which shows number of anything. Look at this. An adjective that shows how much a thing is meant. How much a thing is meant. Example: some milk, enough oil, sufficient sugar, Then where is adjective? Then mark my point: sufficient, enough, some. These are the some word which comes under which kind of adjective? Adjective of quantity, because it all shows quantity of anything and is also written before the noun which is not a count, which is not possible to counted. Okay, right? Go ahead. And the fourth one is adjective of number. And the fourth one is adjective of number. Let me describe it further. An adjective that shows how many person or things are meant, means it reflects how many, it gives sense you how many and nothing more. And this is the most important slide. You have to understand all a single word written on your screen, that is first adjective of number, further classified into two groups. First, infinite number adjective, and second, definite number adjective. Indefinite numeral adjective, and second one is definite. What does it meaning? Definite number adjective means such number which shows definite of anything. Example 1, 2, 3, first, second, and many more. On the other hand, indefinite numeral adjective means these are such type of adjective which also shows number of any noun, but it does not say about exact number of anything. But on the other hand, definite number adjective tells us definite number of anything, that is how many things can be one, things could be two, could be three, or first or second. Okay, got it? And definite adjective is also classified in three group. First one is ordinal number, second cardinal number, and third, which is less important than two other, that is ordinal number or cardinal number, but you have to understand that is multiplicative number. Come on the first point, that is ordinal number. What is ordinal number? First, second, third, fourth, fifth is all considered as ordinal number. And then what is called cardinal number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and many more are considered as cardinal number. And the third is, as per its definition, multiplicative number. This is multiplicative number. So it is called as single, double, triple. Right? Okay. Go ahead. And some of the more concept also written for you here. You have to focus on this point. That is, if both ordinal as well as cardinal adjective come together in a sentence, the order will be ordinal then cardinal. This means first you have to use ordinal number, second you go for cardinal number. I will further discuss it with an amazing example. Wait for a while. And here comes the first question of the day, that is the two last chapter of the book are very interesting. Try to find out an error in this very question, and I hope you all find that. And look at this portion of the question, the two last. And in previous slide what discussed I discussed with you that first you have to write or consider the ordinal number, then cardinal number. Here ordinal number is what? Last, and cardinal number is 2. So we have to what? We have to change the order of these two words. That is, then what is my answer? My answer is going to be the last two. My answer is last two. So you have to exchange these words, right? Go for next question. Read. I found the two first chapter of the books particularly interesting. I hope you will all find an error, and you all find error in the section B. What is an error? Then here is also an error of ordinal number and cardinal number. Means the two first chapter. What is the sequence to be followed? What is the sequence to be followed? The sequence should be followed: first ordinal, then cardinal. But here first cardinal and second ordinal. So in order to correct this sentence, we have to exchange these words. Then first takes the position of 2 and 2 is going to take position of first. Then my corrected sentence is going to be, I found the first two chapters of the book particularly interesting, and this is going to be right. Let's go ahead, and this is the third question of the day, and here the three last chapters of this book are very interesting, and this is very similar to the previous question that I am discussed. What is an error here? The error is also going to be section first, that is A. Then what is an error? The error is again from cardinal and ordinal concept. what I am saying, first ordinal, then cardinal number must be followed. Then here 3. 3 is what? Cardinal. But we have to correct it with exchanging the position of 3 or last. Then my corrected section is going to be the last 3 chapters of this book are very interesting, and this is going to be correct, 100% correct. And the fourth question is also comes here, and I am pretty sure you all try to find out an error in this question, and let us discuss. The 3 first to arrive were the lucky recipients of surprise gift. Here, what is an error here? The here is an error is also going to be the first part of the sentence. What is? Again, it is an error of cardinal and ordinal number, that is first ordinal number should be and then cardinal number. On the basis of this concept, the first should be written here and the 3 is should be written here. Then what is my correct answer? Correct answer is going to be the first three to arrive were the lucky recipients of the surprise gift, and this is going to be correct. And move ahead, and here is another some important concept also written on your screen. You can observe here, that is, this is used before ordinal but not cardinal. What does it meaning hold? Let us discuss it with an example. The glass dolls are arranged on second rack of the showcase. What is meaning hold by this sentence? Means, look at this point. The is used before ordinal but not cardinal. Listen my point. The is used before ordinal, not cardinal. By this concept, the glass dolls are arranged on and between on and second. The must be used to correct this sentence, and the corrected answer is the glass dolls are arranged on the second rank of the showcase. Here what you will learn? You all learn the is used before ordinal and second, first, third, fourth is what number? Is all these are the word which is considered as, or you can say that consider under ordinal number, not cardinal number. Right? Okay. And here is another example based on the previous concept that I am going to discuss with you. But for you illness, you would have secured first rank in the examination. First, try to solve it or find an error in the sentence and then play video, right? I hope you all tried it with yourself, and let's try to find out an error with me. I found an error, and the error is going to be the proportion C. C is going to be the correct answer. Then question is raised how? As I said previous, or you can say in previous slide, what the is used before ordinal number. The is used before ordinal number, and here is ordinal number written first, so I have to use the before first in order to correct the given sentence. So my sentence is going to be, first for illness you would have secured the first rank in the examination, and this is going to be 100% correct. And come on to the next concept of an adjective, which I am discussing from a few minutes. And the next topic is demonstrative adjective. This is also considered as types of adjective. This is not different topics. That is demonstrative adjective. The demonstrative that points out which person or thing is meant. Let us discuss it with an example. This boy, that group, these people. What does it mean? The adjective that tells about which person or which thing. Right? Okay. And here is the first rule. Comes under in demonstrative adjective, that is, only singular noun and singular verb is used with demonstrative adjective. What does it meaning? When demonstrative adjective is used in a sentence or written in a sentence, then we all have to follow singular noun, and when we follow singular noun, then we must have to follow a singular verb by the concept of subject verb agreement. By the concept of subject verb agreement, which I am talking about. And here comes the most awaited question on the previous slide, and the question is, I gave another books to him to read. And try it with yourself first and then play a video, and I hope you all try it, and let us find out an error with me. I gave another book, and as I said previously, another is an demonstrative adjective, and when demonstrative adjective is being used in a sentence, then we all have to follow singular verb and singular noun as well. So books is what? Singular noun? Not. Books is plural noun. So in order to correct this sentence, we have to remove is from the word book. Right? Okay, go ahead. And the next question is also written here. What is question? That is the main problems of this new electric light. And you all have known that that is another type of demonstrative adjective, or you can say it is also called as a demonstrative adjective. So what you have studied in previous slide, you all have studied that when demonstrative adjective is used in a sentence, then it must takes singular noun or singular verb. So problems is plural noun, not a singular noun. So in order to correct this sentence, we have to remove what is from the word, that is problem. And then the corrected form of this sentence is that is the main problem of this new electric light. Got it? Okay. And here is another interesting, or you can say that it is a repeated one. It is a repeated one. It is already discussed. So I go ahead, and here is a new question for you, and you have to try it with yourself first and then watch my video. Here, this is the boys who was playing in the ground yesterday. And here, this is also comes under demonstrative adjective. And on the basis of previous slide, you can all say that this takes singular noun or singular verb. Here, verb is used singular. Verb is singular, but noun is what? Not a singular. Noun is plural. So, in order to correct this sentence, you have to remove s from the word boy, and hence the correct sentence is going to be this is the boy who was playing in the ground yesterday. Right? Is it clear to all? Okay. And a few rules is also written for you related to demonstrative adjective, that is rule number 2. What does it reflect? Rule number 2. Only plural noun and plural verb is used with these type of demonstrative adjective. When these, those, other is used in a sentence, then you all have to choose what? Plural noun or plural verb with that. And some of the example, these sort of man attained worldly success by hook or by crook. And here is an error. How? These is what kind of adjective? This is demonstrative adjective and comes under rule number 2. And according to my rule number 2, when these, those, other is used in a sentence as a demonstrative adjective, then it takes plural noun or plural verb to it. Then these and sort. Sort is which kind of noun? Sort is singular noun. So in order to correct these sentence, we have to add s with the word short, and the correct form of this sentence is going to be these sorts of men attained worldly success by hook or by crook. Is it clear? And next question is also comes here, and try to find out an error. The question is, during the examination I gave him many other books to read, and as you have studied, or you can say learned in previous slide or in previous rule, when other is used as an adjective, it takes plural noun, not singular noun. So we have to use books instead of book. Is it clear, Paul? Go ahead. And the fifth type of adjective is waiting for you, that is distributive adjective. What is meaning distributive? Distributive means such adjective which tells about some distribution of noun or noun equivalent as per my previous definition of adjective. So let us consider it. The adjective which refers to each one, the number is known as distributive adjective. As I discussed a few seconds ago, each, every, either, neither is all considered as distributive adjective. And note, if each, every, either, neither is immediately followed by noun, mark my point. If each, every, either, neither is immediately followed by noun, it is known as distributive adjective. And if each, every, either, neither is followed by some other word could be your preposition or any other, then it is considered as pronoun, not an adjective. When each, every, either, neither is immediately followed by noun, or you can say that each, every, either, neither is used just before a noun, then it is considered as an adjective. But if these are the point followed by some any other word could be your preposition, then it is considered as pronoun. Let us try to find out more clear concept on this very concept by some interesting example. And here is some example written on your screen, that is distributive adjective and distributive pronoun. Each boy took the test, and in the other hand, each of the boys took the test. In previous example, each is a word which is just followed by noun, that is boy. But in the other context, each is a word which is followed by other word, that is of. So when each is just followed by a noun, then we have to use singular noun to that word. each, every, either, neither. When followed by noun, noun must be your singular. And when this word is followed by any other word, that is a preposition, then it can be your plural noun, as per written by your example, that is each of the boys is plural, but here boy is singular, right? I hope this is all clear, this is clear to all. And the next is interrogative adjective. What is meaning? What, which, and whose are interrogative adjective when they are used with the noun. And most of you trying to find out why sir you call followed by noun and again, why you are repeating it. Then, as I discussed in the starting of video, adjective is nothing but it is a word that qualify a noun or noun equivalent. So when we talk about adjective, it also followed by any noun or noun equivalent. So I am using noun repeated and repeated. By the way, come on the point. What I am saying, what is interrogative adjective? Then when what, which, and whose are interrogative adjective? When these are the word followed by noun, or you can say when these are the word which is used with a noun. Noun must be considered. Without noun, it is considered as a anything, any more. Example, which room is here? A room is example noun. Book is also an example of noun. So whose, which is all considered as what? Adjective. Or which kind of adjective? Which or which? These are all comes under interrogative adjective. Right? Okay. And here is some further classification between interrogative adjective or interrogative pronoun. What is? What color is bag your? What color is your bag? And in on the other hand, what did you do? Here, focus on this example. What and color. Color is what? Color reflects a noun. Color is a noun. Then what is, which kind of word, that is what written here? What is considered as interrogative adjective. But here what is not an interrogative adjective. Here what is considered as interrogative pronoun. And I hope you all learn this very an interesting topic, that was an adjective. And goodbye, keep watching.